In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download CROSSFIRE on your PC or laptop. Now, different countries have different ways to download and play the game, so I'm going to explain them all right now in a very simple and easy to follow tutorial. So starting from the Philippines where I am, you need to go to cfph.onstove.com. I'll leave it linked in the description below. This will only work if you're from the Philippines and want to connect to Filipino servers. If you're from Vietnam, they have their own portal to download CROSSFIRE. So if you type in CROSSFIRE Vietnam in Google, you can go to this link here, cf.goplay.vn. Then if you click this button in the top right hand corner, the red button, you can then go ahead and download it. If you want to right click and translate to English, you can do. And you can go ahead and download CROSSFIRE this way. If you're from the West or some other places, you'll be able to download it from crossfire.z8games.com. Now, there are some countries which don't allow you to download CROSSFIRE, some countries where it isn't available in your region, and there are no legal ways to get around this. While some people will recommend to use a VPN to connect to one of the countries listed to then download CROSSFIRE, that is against terms of service and can get your account banned, so I can't recommend it. Because I'm in the Philippines, I'm going to go to the Filipino website and then go to download. And then what we can do is click the client download one, and that will start the download. Once that has downloaded, we can go ahead and click on it and click install. So here you can see the user agreement. We can just accept this, click next again, and then again, and install. Once it's installed, and just give it a second because it could take a while, you can then click finish. And if you check launch CROSSFIRE, you can then click yes, and it's then going to open up this window. You can then agree and continue, and it will install Stove PC Client. Now we've got that installed, we can click on Game Start after keeping the recommended option checked. From here, CROSSFIRE should open for the first time. You can then go ahead and click on Register. It will then redirect you to the web browser where you can agree to the terms and continue. Enter your username and password, your name, email, date of birth, and so on. Heading back to the game, you can then go ahead and log in. Enter in another username and go ahead and click create. You can go to public match in the top right and then click start.